everyone, welcome back to my channel Shraddha Study Point. So today we will discuss the electronic configuration. How the electrons are filled in any atom. Okay, this is called electronic configuration. The rule is Aufbau's rule. The rule is Aufbau's rule. The word Aufbau means, it is a German word which means build up. Which means build up. Okay, Aufbau means build up. This rule dictates how the electrons, this rule dictates the manner in which electrons are filled in any subshell or orbital. How the electrons are filled in any subshell or orbitals. Okay. In its ground state. The atom should be in ground state. Okay. So, the electrons first occupy the orbitals of lower energy. According to this rule, electrons first occupy the orbitals of lower energy. Electrons first occupy the orbital of lower energy. After that, electrons occupy the orbitals of higher energy. Okay. Electrons first occupy the lower energy orbitals and then occupy the higher energy orbitals. According to this rule, energy is directly proportional to N plus L. Energy is directly proportional to N plus L, where N is equal to principal quantum number, where N is principal quantum number and L is azimuthal quantum number. L is azimuthal quantum number, as we have discussed these in earlier lectures. Okay. N is principal quantum number and L is azimuthal quantum number. So energy is directly proportional to N plus L. Let's see how. It means, see here, N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 7. These are the cells. Now S, P, D, F, these are the subshell. The value of S subshell is, azimuthal quantum number for S is equal to 0, and for P 1, for D 2, and for F 3. Now see, N plus L. N is 1, L is 0, means 1. 1 is, N is 2, P, N is 2, P, S is equal to 0. So N plus L 2. Okay. So this is the order 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s. This is for 2p to up to 7p, 3d to up to 7d, 4f up to 7f. So the order of energy is in this manner. First the electron is filled in 1s, then in 2s, then 2p and 3s. After 3s it comes into 3p, then 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, then 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, then 5f, 6d, 7p, then 6f, 7d, and at last in 7f. Okay, this is the order of energy of orbitals in which the electrons are filled. So first electron comes in 1s and in the last in 7f. Okay, so the least energy orbital is 1s and the maximum energy is of 7f. Okay, how? Let's check with the help of N plus L. For 1s, S is 0, N is 1. So for this N plus L is 1. For this N is 2, S is 0. So N plus L is 2 plus 0, 2. For this N is 3, S is 0. So N plus L is equal to 3. For this 2p, P is 1, N is 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. For 3p, N is 3 and P is 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. So you can see here N plus 1 is 1. So the electron first come here in this orbital. After that the energy is in higher energy orbital. It means for in 2s, then in 3, in 2p, then in 3s. Okay. So this is the order of energy in which electrons are filled. Okay. Electron fills in increasing order of energy of subshell or orbital. Electrons are filled in increasing order of energy of subshell or orbitals. Okay. So the increasing order of energy of subshells are 1s, 2s, 2p, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s, then 4s, then 3d, then 4p, after that 5s, then 4d, then 5p, 6s, and so on. Okay. So according to, so this is the increasing order of energy. So least energy is of 1s and the maximum energy is of 7f. Okay. So first electron comes in 1s, then 2s, 2p, 3s. Okay. Now see, according to Pauli's exclusion principle, according to Pauli's exclusion, Pauli's exclusion principle, according to Pauli's exclusion principle, each orbital can hold maximum of 2 electrons. Each orbital can have maximum of 2 electrons. Okay. See, 1s. 1s has only single orbital. So this can hold maximum up to 2 electrons. Okay. Now in 2p s, now in p there is 3 orbitals. So it can hold maximum up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. In d there is 5 orbitals, so it can hold maximum up to 2 electrons. Sorry, 10 electrons. 2 electrons in each orbitals. And for F subshell there is 7 orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Each orbital can hold maximum up to 2 electrons. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So there is total 14 electrons. Okay. So S subshell can hold maximum up to 2 electrons. P subshell can hold maximum up to 6 electrons. D subshell can hold maximum up to 10 electrons, and F subshell can hold maximum up to 14 electrons. And each single orbital can hold maximum up to 2 electrons according to Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay. Now let's see with the help of some examples how we can write electronic configuration of any atom. Suppose, for example, if we have any atom whose atomic number, here we will write atomic number and here we will write electronic configuration. Okay. So the atomic number is, suppose the electronic number is 5, then electronic configuration will be 1s 2. 1s has only single orbital and it can hold maximum up to 2 electrons. So here 5 electrons. So 2 electrons comes in lowest energy orbitals. So in 1s 2 electrons. Next is 2s. So S subshell can hold maximum up to 2 electrons. 2 to 4. Now one more electron which will come in 2p. This is the order of energy what we have seen. Okay. 2p, So p subshell can hold maximum up to 6 electrons. So here only single electron is here, so it will carry 1 electron. So the atom having atomic number 5 has electronic configuration like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. If atomic number is 7, then 1s2, 2s2, 2p. So p subshell can hold maximum up to 6 electrons. So 2 to 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 more electrons which will come in 2p3 in p subshell. Okay. If any atom have 10 atomic number, then 1s2, 2s2, 2 to 4. 4 minus 10, 6. 6 more electrons which will come in 2p6, which will come in p subshell, because p can hold maximum up to 6 electrons. Now after p, if any atom have atomic number 11, then 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. After 2p, the next energy level is 3s. Okay, 3s, and s subshell can hold maximum up to 2 electrons, but here only 1 more electron is here, so 3s 1. Okay, if 15, then 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. After 3s, the next energy level is 3p. So 3p. P can hold maximum up to 6 electrons. So 3 more electrons, 2 to 4, 4, 6, 10, plus 2, 12, 3 more, plus 3, 15. Okay. So this is how we can write electronic configuration of any atom. But here's some exception in this rule. In this rule, the exceptions are the exception is mainly for the D subshell. Exception is for D subshell. In D subshell, the stability order of D subshell is when D subshell is fulfilled, means all the orbitals are filled of the D cell. All the orbitals of the D subshell is filled, then this will be the most stable. After fulfilled, half filled is considered more stable than other. What is the fulfilled condition? Means D subshell can hold maximum up to 10 electrons, so fulfilled is D10. Half filled means just half of fulfilled, D5. Then other means D4, either D3, either D2 or D1, or after this D6, D7, D8, D9. These are other. So the most stable is D10, then D5, then other. Okay. Suppose if electronic configuration of any atom is D4s2, D4s2, then what will happen? This is not stable form of electronic configuration. Okay, so it will convert in D5s1, because this is the stable configuration. Okay, so this is the exception in electronic configuration in case of D5. And one more, if the electronic configuration is D9s2, then it will convert into D10. One electron will move here. Okay, D10 and S1. So this is the stable configuration. Okay, so exception is in the case of D subshell. Let's see this exception with the help of an example. Chromium, whose atomic number is 24. Okay, so normally with the help of Aufbau's rule, how can we write the electronic configuration? without exception, 1s2, 2s2, then 2p6, 3s2, then 3p6, then 4s2, then 3d4. You can count 2 to 4, 6, 10, 12, 18, 20 plus 4, 24. So the last electron is in 3d4. D subcell has 5 orbitals. As we know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here only 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 4 electrons. But as you can see here, the condition is D4. Exception is only in case of D4 or D9. So here D4. So it will convert into 1s2, 2s2. So this is the wrong electronic configuration of chromium. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. One electron will move here. 3d5. It will become 3d5. Now, why it happens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why it happens? Because D4 is less stable than D5. Okay? D5 is more stable. D5 is more stable than D4. This is more stable than D4. Okay? So this is all about electronic configuration. So thank you.